I'm Violet Vanderkoy. I'm the middle daughter of Bill and Helinda Vanderkoy. My parents basically started EcoFarm, and for as long as I can remember, we've been involved in some way. I think it started around 15 years ago. Started as Eco Dairy, transitioned to EcoFarm. We always say it's because we're more than just a dairy. I think a lot of what goes into why we're open to the public is like education. So my mom has a degree in education, but my dad has a degree in agriculture. And I think going hand in hand with that, like they just wanted to be able to educate the public and teach people where their food comes from and how farming works, especially in a community with such prevalent like farming. It's just important to understand the community and just know where you get your food from. It's important to me to educate the public on where their food comes, mainly because when you know where your food comes, you trust farmers more and you trust the people who provide for you. And you also like feel better about what you're eating because you're educated in that way and you know exactly where it comes from. So I like eating local, especially because I've been raised in like an environment like this. So we have about 45 cows in the barn, and they're all named after elementary schools in the local community. So this is Leah, and she's named after Mount Lean and Elementary. With the 45 cows that we have in the barn, they each produce around 36 liters of milk a day, which is roughly like 1,600 liters altogether, which feeds our local community. A lot of our technology and innovation that we use on the farm is used in a way where it's like a win-win, as my dad always says. So we not only like improve production, but we also improve the well-being of the animals. An example of this is our robotic milker. So basically like the cows choose when they come to get milked, and they're happier. And we also play like classical music for the cows because it just improves like their well-being, and when they're more comfortable, the farmers have more time to focus on other things and also like more specifically on their health as well. So I'm really appreciative to my parents. Like I think they instilled a lot of like values, not only of like work ethic, but also like just caring for the people and things around you, and I think they do that a lot on the farm. It's really important to them to like give back to the community as well, and the farm is a really big way that like they can do that. I think Eco Dairy is like a showcase farm for what happens behind the scenes on different farms. You understand just better like where your food comes, and I think that's where EcoFarm comes in. It's just a really good way to like showcase that, so you're more educated. What's really important to me about my family farm is how like versatile we are. So we do so many different things. My dad's like always finding the next new thing to like try. So we do a lot of like feed trials with our cows, partnering with different universities to reduce carbon footprint. We have a lot going on around the farm. So I love coming here to like our cafe and grabbing a coffee and like sitting, looking at Mount Baker, just because it's an awesome location. And there's lots to do. Like I was a tour guide for so long, so like I love just like being on the farm and kind of just hanging out here. Yeah, because it's just beautiful. A little like spiel we have is we turn poo to power, and that's through an anaerobic digester. So basically it collects all the cow's poo and like heats it up, and from that it turns into electricity, so we power some of the lights in the building and different stuff like that. We're really active in a way where we like to reduce the resources we use and also like recycle what is produced from the cows. Around 30% of the electricity is powered from the cows.
We just want people to be able to come here and find out where their food comes from. We come from a long line of farmers, and we really think people would appreciate getting a window into what farming's like and being able to make that farm to table connection.